guys, what is going on? Welcome back to my Robinhood portfolio. As always, want to thank everybody for your support on the channel. If you like the content, feel free to like, share, subscribe, and if you are a subscriber, make sure to hit that bell button for alerts on all new content posted to the channel. Today, I thought I'd take a look at the portfolio, do another update video. I like to do at least one or two of these per month, detailing all of my stock positions, all of my current holdings, as well as detailing any major acquisitions, additions I made to the portfolio, any big sell-offs I've made, as well as any big day or swing trades that I'm looking to do moving forward. As you can see up top, the portfolio has been doing very well since the last update video. Current value, $119,311.67. A very good day of trading yesterday, $418.35, with a little bit extra in after-hours trading as well. And you can see here over the last week, as well as last 1 month, the portfolio has been doing very, very well. Over the last month, 5.03% in the green. As I go through my stocks here, you can see over the last day of trading, quite a few stocks in the green. There's only a few market segments that are actually in the red today. Some of my healthcare stocks, as you can see here, in the red. And as I scroll down to the bottom of the portfolio, a few of the technology stocks in the red, Apple as well as AMD, Verizon, a telecom in the red. But for the most part, a very, very good day throughout the portfolio. And then a few penny stocks on the bottom there in the red as well. So if we start up top here, I like to go through the portfolio through each market segment. First up on top are my high dividend yielding ETFs, DVY, SCHD, SDY, SPHD, and VYM. Really haven't made any big changes here. Been adding to SPHD on my E-Trade account, and I've also added a few shares here on the Robinhood portfolio as well. Under that are my healthcare stocks. First, starting with my pharmaceutical companies, ABBV has been doing very, very nicely over the last 1 month or so. You can see up 4.97% over the last day of trading. Over the last 1 month, 22.23%. One of the stronger stocks in the portfolio over the last 1 month. But Eli Lilly and Company, LLY, performing very nicely as well. Pfizer, PFE. Portola, put a little bit more money into Portola. I think this is a great stock moving into the beginning of next year at least. I do believe this stock will get up to the $90 to $100 range by that point. But very high risk with this stock, so I don't necessarily recommend anybody getting into that stock. But for the portfolio, it's working out very, very nicely. Under that, Abbott Laboratories, another pharmaceutical stock, healthcare services company. Very good performance over the last 1 month as well. 7.47% over the last week here, 4.16%. And over the last day of trading here, 2.86%. Under that, I have my healthcare companies, Cardinal Health, CAH, and Johnson & Johnson, J&J. Under healthcare, I have my industrials, first starting with aerospace, Boeing, BA, Lockheed Martin, LMT, some conglomerates here. The stock I'm taking a look at to do a little bit of a contrarian play, GE here, 24.23. You can see over the last 1 month here, it's been about baseline or so. In the last 3 months, it's down. And over the last 1 year, you guys know this has been down by quite a large margin, at 1 point over 20%, currently down 16.23%. But I'm definitely looking to put some money into GE if the stock price does keep retracting here a bit. Under that, I have 3M, MMM, one machinery stock, ITW, Illinois Toolworks, 2 railroad companies here, C&I, as well as UNP, Union Pacific, 1 supply company, International Paper, IP. And then my Dow Chemical has combined with DuPont here. Now you can see on the top there now Dow, DuPont, DWDP. It's been doing very, very good since that merger. The price of the stock here, you can see that merger here back in September. Kind of dipped, but has been performing very, very well since that point. Up 4% over that time span. Under that, my largest holding in the portfolio, Ford Motor Company. I've been adding to the stock as it's been decreasing in price, and this stock's been on an absolute tear. The past week here, 1.87%. Over the last 1 month, 11.26%. So this stock has been doing very, very well for me. And if I just highlight on the bottom here as well, the dividends. Dividends have been looking very, very stellar. You can see starting back in December 1st, 2016, 93, then 283, 341, and 464. And that will continue to increase as I add to my position in Ford. I think this is a great stock moving forward and very, very cheap stock. Under that, just 1 share of GM. Then I have General Merchandise, Target, TGT, Garmin for another general merchandise company here, GRMN. A couple of restaurant companies, MCD, McDonald's, been performing very, very nicely, as you can see there, 2.34% over the last day of trading. YUM and YUMC, Yum Brands and Yum Brands China. And then one textile company, VFC, VF Corp. Under that, I have my consumer staples, starting with Archer Daniels Midland, ADM, SYY, Cisco, Colgate, CL, and Kimberly-Clark, KMB, two household companies there. One packaged good, HSY Hershey, KHC, Kraft Heinz Company, personal goods, Procter & Gamble, PG, and a few beverage companies here, BUD, and Anheuser-Busch, KO Coca-Cola, and PEP PepsiCo. Under that, I have my financial stocks. Of note, Bank of the Internet, BOFI, has been doing extremely well here, 3.18% over the last day of trading. Over the last 1 week here, you can see it's up 7.27%, and over the last 1 month here, 8.54%. So very, very nice stock there. HBAN, Huntington Bank Shares, MS Morgan Stanley, and WFC Wells Fargo and Company. One insurance company, ORI, Old Republic International. Moving into my information technology, IBM, International Business Machines, IBW, Apple, AAPL, AMD, micro processors, AMD, semiconductor with Intel, INTC, Microsoft, MSFT. Then my telecoms, 2, AT&T, Verizon, VZ, one energy company, XOM, and then a couple utility companies here, C&P, CenterPoint Energy, ED, Consolidated Edison, and Esso Southern. Below that, I have my real estate investment trust, APLE, Apple Hospitality, FRT, Federal Realty Investment Trust, O, Realty Income Delaware, and STAG, Stag Industrial. And then to round out the portfolio, I have some closed-end funds and some penny stocks here. You can see GOF, Guggenheim, PCM Fund, PSEC, Prospect Capital. Been putting a little bit more money into Prospect Capital. Been trying to do some day and swing trading with this particular stock. You can see here, it's definitely on a trend down here. I think it's stabilized. I think it may be going up, but a very risky play with Prospect Capital. The dividend is still greater than 10% even after the recent dividend decrease there. PTY, PIMCO Corp, Income Fund, and then YYY, a nice ETF of high dividend income producing closed-end funds. And then I have one bond fund there, BHK, then some penny stocks around at the portfolio, BAC plus B, MARA, ACERW, and SDR. So that is the portfolio. I'll slowly scroll back up to the top. So not a lot of changes in the portfolio. I've been doing some setup plays for some day and swing trading over the past couple weeks here. I'll detail those in a few videos this next week here. But very, very good portfolio so far. It's been performing extremely well. I do think stocks are getting a little bit overvalued at this point, and I do believe there is a correction coming, probably a 10% plus correction, a very large correction coming at some point. But so far, stocks have been continuing to perform very, very well here. And again, portfolio 119, 311, 67. So not to make the video too long, I'll kind of end it there. As always, if you guys enjoy my videos, feel free to like, share, subscribe. If you guys have any great video ideas, let me know as well. Always looking for new videos to talk about, new things to read up on, and just to continue learning about researching stocks, investments, different strategies, and also learning how you guys are managing your portfolio. So please let me know if there's anything you'd add to the portfolio or take off the portfolio. Always interested to hear your opinion. So kind of with that, I'll end the video, and we'll see you guys next time.